Open your Settings app and tap on About Phone. This is where your device stores key information about your system. Next, tap on the OS version multiple times. Keep tapping until you see a message that developer options are unlocked. Go back to the main Settings menu. Scroll down and find Additional Settings. Open it, then tap on Developer Options. Scroll all the way down until you see Disable Child Process Restrictions. This is a very important step. Make sure this option is turned on. Now we can proceed with installing Sakura. Follow the installation steps carefully, and always scan the APK file before installing it. Scanning ensures the file is safe and hasn't been corrupted or tampered with. The next step is installing Sakura Virtual Space. Again, make sure to scan the APK before installation. Once installed, we need to adjust some permissions. Go to Other Permissions and enable only display pop-up windows. Next, open App Permissions and disable the default permissions that are enabled by the system. Now restart the virtual space. When prompted, allow the notifications and permissions requested by the APK. After this, add Sakura into the virtual space and grant the necessary permissions once again. Make sure to follow every prompt carefully. Skipping permissions can prevent Sakura from executing properly. Once Sakura is installed inside the virtual space, test if it runs correctly and connects to the server.
Welcome.
To register, send a private message on Telegram to request a temporary access key. Keep in mind that these keys are valid for only 10 minutes, so complete the registration promptly. During registration, create a password with at least 8 characters and accept the terms of service.